Here's a 2017 Ford Explorer. The adventure starts where the pavement stops in this capable SUV. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: V6 engine, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, rear parking sensors, manual tilting steering column, app link, sync with My Ford external memory control, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth, and LED low beam headlights. New car test drive rights. For many years, the Ford Explorer has been one of the best-selling SUVs in the market. A capable tow vehicle and off-roader, the Explorer also offers the generous interior space, comfort features, and safety technologies necessary for day-to-day tasks. Every generation has its Ford. This one's yours. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At Metropolitan Ford, you'll always get a great experience and a great price. Stop in and see us today. We're conveniently located off Plaza Drive in Eden Prairie.